What if your AI assistant could do more than just return text? Here, I've built a remote MCP server for Sedade that transforms Claude into an interactive merchant operations assistant featuring generative UI rendered directly inside the conversation. Instead of raw JSON or long text dumps, the server generates clean, interactive interfaces right where you chat. Let's open the Sedade merchant dashboard. Notice how instantly it loads a complete command center, displaying real-time balances, incoming revenue, total transactions, and a live payment pulse, all rendered dynamically inside Claude. Performing sensitive tasks is completely secure through a built-in preview and approval flow. Let's send 500 Qatari Riyals to a Sedade ID. The AI triggers a transfer preview card, letting us double-check the recipient, fees, and total before clicking to confirm the simulated action. Next, let's look at managing refunds. We can ask Claude to refund 100 Qatari Riyals from a specific transaction ID. It inspects the record, validates the criteria, opens the review screen, and waits for our explicit go-ahead before executing. Invoicing is just as seamless. By simply prompting Claude to create an invoice for a customer, like Noor Trading, for 850 Qatari Riyals, it immediately generates and renders the interactive invoice workspace with all billing details ready. Finally, let's filter down to failed transactions. Claude isolates the records and even helps diagnose why the payments failed, providing clear context. From here, we can effortlessly request a weekly withdrawal or handle other actions through fully protected interactive widgets.